My name is Preeti. Today I am going to explain Theorem 6.3 from triangles. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, means if we have two triangles A, B, C and another triangle is D, E, F, and it is given that if corresponding angles are equal, means angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, and angle C equals to angle F. So their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. So we have to prove that sides are in the same proportion, means AB by DE equals to BC by EF equals to AC by DF. Or we can also say that two triangles are similar, means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is also called angle similarity criteria. So for that we will put a line P as AB equals to DP and Q on line DF as AC equals to DF, and we join PQ. So this is the construction. Now from triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, side angle side, this also side angle side. So according to side angle side, congruent angle ABC is congruent to angle DPQ. So we can see that their corresponding angles will be equal, means angle B equals to angle P and angle C equals to angle Q. And here as per given we can see that angle B equals to angle E, and here angle B equals to angle P. That means angle P equals to angle E, and angle C equals to angle F and angle C equals to angle Q, means angle F equals to angle Q. If we will see here, angle P equals to angle E and angle F equals to angle Q. So according to this we can say that these two lines are parallel, means PQ is parallel to EF. So as per theorem 6.1 we can see that if two lines are parallel, their corresponding sides are in the same proportion, means DP by PE equals to DQ by QF. If you don't know about theorem 6.1, you can see my previous video where I explained about the theorem 6.1. Now we can also write this as PE by DP equals to DF by DQ. Numerator is here and denominator is here. So we just make it opposite. So now we will add plus 1 in both the side. So PE by DP plus 1 equals to DF by DQ plus 1. That means PE plus DP by DP equals to DF plus DQ by DQ. Now what is PE plus DP? PE plus DP, that means DE. So we can write here is DE by DP equals to, what is DF plus DQ? DF by wait a minute, DF by DF plus DQ, DF plus DQ. I think we did some mistake. DQ by here QF, not DF, QF. So here also QF So here also QF, DQ, QF and QF plus DQ. So QF plus DQ equals to DF. So DF by here DQ. Okay. So now we can again make it opposites, like DP by DE. DP by DE equals to DQ by DF. Fine. So what is DP? DP is AB as per our construction. DP, AB equals to DP. So DP is what? AB. So we can also write as AB by DE equals to DQ. What is DQ? DQ is same as AC. So AC by DF. So this part equals to this part. We proved this first and third. Now if we will put P as here as it is DE, but Q on line EF. If I will show it here, D, E, F, and Q will be here and P as it is, and we are just joining PQ. So in that scenario, this PQ will be similar to DF, and in that scenario what result will come? AB by DE equals to BC by EF. Fine. So if we will join angle equation 1 and equation 2, we can say that ki AB by DE, this equals to BC by EF equals to AC by DF. The same thing we have to prove. Correct? Fine. So if you have any doubt in this theorem, please let me know. You can also add some comments in the comment box. Also, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.